On May 20th, 2025, the Oakland Police Department received multiple reports of a vehicle being driven erratically on a residential street, nearly striking several people.
She almost hit my wife.
Officer Anderson first made contact with a homeowner who told officers that a young woman driving the car nearly struck his wife before fleeing the area.
So I drove down the street to try and see where she was, and I saw her coming out of Ryerson. So I stopped my car in front of her, and I was like, dude, I was like, what are you doing? I said, don't, and then she basically, there's two girls down there have a video of her pulling out, almost hit me.
There's a female occupant?
Yeah.
How old?
Maybe early 20s, late teens.
And apparently, I heard she flipped you off?
She flipped my wife off.
She flipped your wife off.
Oh, wow, the kid is crazy.
I don't know, there's just freaking kids everywhere in this neighborhood.
So we'll make a report about it, and we'll, you got the plate though?
Yeah.
Okay, any video?
The guy came prepared for sure.
She has video, and the women down the street said they have a video of her. This is from my neighbor.
It was a blue car?
Yeah, it's like an electric blue car. But coming the other way.
And your wife got the plate, I guess?
I got the plate when I confronted her,
and
when she flew away.
You made contact with her? Like, did you speak to her?
I tried to.
You just took off?
I pulled in front of her and started walking up to her car, and I was kind of yelling at her, like, what are you doing in the neighborhood? And then she basically almost ran me over trying to get take off.
You never got close enough to get a look at her world?
I did. I was from like here to here, and she just sped off. She almost hit my wife.
Is she walking with the baby right now?
No, my wife's in her car. So there's two women that were walking their dog. They said that she's...
Seems like the neighborhood is fed up with this kid.
Does it all the time.
Okay, we'll go speak to them. So, okay, do you want to send me that video?
Yeah.
Do you want to sign complaints against them? Okay. I'll attach it to the case just in case maybe you change your mind one day or maybe it happens again, just so you have it on police record. Just send it to my email right when you get a chance.
All right, cool.
That's really it, all right? Yeah, have a good one, all right? Yep.
Once officers identify the suspected driver, they head to her residence to investigate further, unaware of the condition they're about to encounter.
Were you driving this car before?
What's that? I'm sorry.
Come here. How old are you?
19.
It seems like this is the kid, the right age, yeah?
Yes, I'm sorry. We just kind of got into an argument.
Do you have your license on you by any chance?
No, it's in there, I think.
Okay. Well, we
At this point, your new stuff are serious.
we're still gonna need your ID, okay?
Yes, okay. I'm sorry. I'm just very frustrated.
Why are you frustrated?
What was the problem?
Okay, so we got 3 separate calls about you driving recklessly on this road. What's going on? Why are you speeding around?
Nothing. It's just that yes. But when I put my car, chill. When I put my my car goes in sport and then sport plus. So when I put it in sport plus, it's a little louder than it should be. That's why I've been driving like that since I got the car. But
Seems like the problem is the car noise, yeah? The car make a lot of... The neighbors are not happy with it.
whatever, I'm sorry. I'm just freaking out. So the problem, chill. But the problem is that my, I guess, exhaust was loud, right?
Yep. The car sound terrible.
19-year-old Natalia Galowich immediately starts playing dumb, blaming her car's exhaust, and from there, her story begins to unravel.
Can you get her ID, please? Where is it?
I don't
Where
even
would
know
that
what
be?
it is, but do you want me to tell you my name?
Yeah,
Natalia
sure.
Galowitz? I can write it for you. What was that?
First name and spell your first name.
Natalia. And then the last
Is your
name?
license inside?
Yes, it is. You want me to
Yeah, please get it. It was just, yeah.
Makes it easier.
Yeah. You get it?
Yes,
Matt, you want to just put this in and then we'll go from there. All it is, we had numerous complaints about your excessive driving. I saw it on video. Obviously, I can't tell what the speed you were going at, but I know the speed limit. Okay, let me finish. I know the speed limit on the road. Based on the video, you're going well over the speed limit, way too fast. A lot of
I mean, again, look, the sound of the car can get people crazy for
people
sure.
walking around now, kids playing in the front yards. Ball rolls down the street. How are you going to stop in time? You're going to hit them. You're going to kill them. Where are you coming from?
I was picking up stuff from this house.
And why were you going so fast?
Like that's how the stuff that's how they do stuff back home, yeah, in her country where those Polish, what the language she was just speaking. That's how they do it back home. But on the state, it doesn't work like that, yeah.
It was kind of, even since I got a car, I was just used to driving down the streets, and even my friends, it's like
She wanna look cool in front of her friend. That's
It's
what
just normal, and I know
I said. It's normal back home.
It's normal
like
to drive
not-
fast.
It's. I know that sounds terrible,
Yeah.
but it's like even like around 30, like it's just normal.
again.
It's not gonna happen again, like you say, yeah.
Okay.
It will,
Especially
because
if
the car
it's
is there.
an inconvenience. Yeah.
Somebody that's it. Not gonna happen again.
Okay.
I got keys. I'm not gonna give her keys.
Why wouldn't you have to give her the keys?
When she came home, you can hear
I
it.
mean,
She make the drinks. She drink now, so that's why I have the keys.
The moment
Yo, she the dad is think he's trying to get her in
Natalia's
trouble.
father admits she's been drinking, her face falls, realizing the truth isn't far behind.
You a big drinker?
No, she just make the drink now. So that's why I take it.
I'm not gonna say anything because worst can happen. But worst case, I just want to go CVS to get wax.
Yeah, we gotta talk to you a little bit more.
Yeah, so
Interesting.
fresh boy,
I think the dad is trying to tell her to stop drinking and driving, but she's not listening. Now
I need something
Drink in the
her
basement.
business outside.
She had a drink in the basement?
Yeah, now when she came.
No, but that was
just
that was
drink in
when
the
I was
basement.
waxing. Yeah, I need his move. I'm sorry. It's just
How old are you?
19.
Okay, we don't have to talk to your parents at all.
It was just like it was hours ago. I just because we're going to Florida, so I tried to wax my legs and wax whatever, and sometimes I drink up, so I made myself like
Strong.
no, not strong. It was kind of
The guy is reflective of his teenage age. The cop.
like a pina colada in his Thermomix, and then I didn't even drink half of it until I poured it out. These people who are on the street complain on me every single time I drive down the street. They're
Right,
always
there's
like,
been-
stop.
Yeah, that's fine,
And
but
as they should, you know.
We know that you're upset because the guy yelled at you, okay?
It's
But,
not that, but
well, that's not what you said before. But either way, based on the couple calls that we received, we have to do an investigation, right?
I guess the lady, she has a careless mentality. You know, she doesn't care about anything. But stuff can get serious. Yeah.
yes, as you should,
Okay.
you know.
So, I'm getting indicators that you might be impaired. All right, we already have you operating that vehicle. Okay, so I need you to run some tests for me, okay? I'm going to explain the test to you, okay?
Yeah.
So, when I tell you to begin and only when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps,
Yes.
okay? I'm going to do 3, you're going to do 9.
Okay.
And you're going to count out loud while doing so. 1, 2, 3. I did 3, you're going to do 9, okay? When you reach 9, you're going to take short, choppy steps while pivoting on your lead foot until you turn around.
She's 19. She's not supposed to drink.
Once
yeah?
you're turned around, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back, counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth until you hit 9.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah, it's okay. So 1,
Good.
2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, my back.
That's okay. Keep going, keep going.
I did have
Don't stop,
surgery
don't stop.
in this leg, so I'm freaking out. I'm sorry because
Just keep going.
no, I
Yep, she's drunk. She's drunk. For sure, she's
have to
drunk.
do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
She's struggling so much.
That's not good. 9.
Okay.
I know that's
Now you're
terrible.
gonna go back.
Yes, and you said something like that, right?
You could just keep taking the steps. Go ahead.
So 1, 2, 3, 4,
I think that's dancing. That's not walking. But she's drunk for sure.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. All right. Relax for a second. Okay. I'm gonna explain the next test. All right.
No, I'm sorry. It's just like I'm
That's
being
fine.
serious, but I did seriously suffer my.
Yeah. Listen, like I said, that's fine. We'll take that into account. Okay.
Natalia
She couldn't find a
missed
liar.
steps, lost balance, and showed all 6 indicators of impairment during the eye test, leading to her arrest for driving under the influence.
Yep. All right. Go ahead. Turn around. Place your hands behind your back. You're being placed on the arrest for DWI.
do you have anything in your pockets?
I mean, that's his dad. That's her dad put her in this situation. Yeah.
This is stop. This is what you're saying, but that's not what she said to us when I asked her.
Yeah, but she
Okay.
drunk. That's why she said whatever she wants.
The dad, I think, is happy. Yeah.
You know that.
I don't know that.
You didn't catch her in the road.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter?
Doesn't matter.
So if I
He has a point, actually. He didn't catch in the
drink
road.
in the house, be drunk, so you can cuff me and take my DWI or what?
I understand what you're saying, but this is what you're telling me. That's not what she told us.
Yeah, but she's drunk, that's why.
That's what... Whatever.
You know that.
You want to argue, it's fine, all right? But this is what the court is for,
the
okay?
stupid, we let her go out. I should tell her, oh, she's not home, that's it.
You can be pissed off all you want, okay? But
I know, because you just want to, I know, money, you just...
Nah, it's not like that, brother. It's not the same way back home.
Yes, because I want to arrest your daughter at the end of my shift and get money, yeah.
So now you have to bring her home. I'm not going to police station to bring her home. I don't want to see 4 o'clock in the morning, you're going to call me, oh, your daughter is free. You have to bring her home now. Okay?
Sir, you can argue about it however way you want. I'm trying to explain to you what's going on, but you want to be confrontational, okay?
I know what's going on.
Okay, then you must be the best lawyer in the world. I'm done talking. Do you want me to talk to you?
Yes, please.
Would you like me to would you like me to tow the car would you like me to tow the car too? Or would you like your car?
This is my daughter. How you feel if police take your daughter?
And I can understand.
Believe me. How you feel?
And I can understand.
I mean, the guy has a point, but
I can also understand that with you being.
You not understand because all your family have gold cars, or even if somebody drink, you're not taking.
You know, obviously I can't rationalize with you, so I don't know why I'm even talking to you.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
It's fine. I'm not gonna.
Okay. Would you like your car though?
Yes.
Okay. So then I expect you to just.
I mean, why would you buy a car for this lady with this with the sound and the noise and stuff, knowing that the neighborhood does not like noise?
You know, calm down, relax, and I'll try to work with you here. Okay.
That's a bad mistake.
All
I
right,
guess.
you're gonna have to sit with that behind you, okay?
Yes, I'm okay. It really hurts.
Okay.
Because
I know that they're not meant for comfort. So, all right, we're gonna get moving soon, okay?
We're gonna get you out here as fast as we can.
Yeah, that's okay.
You're good.
I'm just crazy.
You're fine. We're gonna go up the stairs.
Steps, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Whatever makes you guys feel better. Can I just have this? Is that okay?
Can you have what?
Can I just?
Oh, you'll be able to. You got your pants on backwards. What'd you do?
I do. Because
She's drunk.
I was freaking out. I didn't know how to put them on.
Just stand in here for me, right in here for now. All right, step over here, Natalia. We're gonna take those off for you so you can get a little comfortable. Take that necklace off for a minute.
Yes.
I mean, I can't tell if the cops try to make a point for her, put her in jail just because of. Did he not catch her driving? I don't know if they're trying to scare her or what's going on.
Can you take those earrings out or no?
Yes, I can let you guys out. I'm sorry. I'm just freaking out. I can't.
Take your time. Take your time.
I promise.
Just take a seat for now, okay? We're gonna try and get you out of here quick. Natalia, just do me a favor. Stand up, face me real quick.
Stand up.
Yeah. Open your mouth, stick out your tongue.
I have gum in my mouth.
Your gummy? Okay, I need you to spit that out, okay? There you go. Alright, looks good enough for me. You take a seat, okay?
We don't have to do any paperwork with the car, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Again, I apologize to ruin your day. Okay, I'm just trying to do my job.
No, what she said,
Okay.
because she was angry at the fight. That's why she go and drink.
Okay.
19 years old. Every 19 years old is that's the age where people get crazy. Yeah?
All right.
That's what happened.
The crazy
She
age.
said when she see you, I'm gonna go outside, gonna tell them I drink all day. She said to me, if she go outside, she gonna tell you like this, and she did.
She said she was going to come outside and said that she
Yes,
drank all day.
yes.
So then she should have never been behind the wheel.
Yeah, but she just make me. She didn't drink. She make me so I am like guilty now. No, she said, oh look, Daddy, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna now go outside and tell them I drink all day. But she didn't drink. She
How
tried
old is
to
she?
stop me. This year.
I think the dad thought she already told them she drunk, but she told them first. Now they know
20.
Again, sorry. We'll call you when we're done.
Igor, right?
Yes, sir.
Igor, right?
Yes, sir, Igor.
All right. So I don't know what he told you at all. You were taking responsibility for her. You were responsible for her for the next 12 hours at least. If she is caught driving within the next 12 hours, you will be charged criminally. The time of arrest is 6:23, 18:23. We use military time, so she cannot drive a vehicle for 12 hours from that. So 6:23 a.m. Read this. I recommend you read it thoroughly because you were the one taking responsibility for her. Read it. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. Can you translate?
You're the one taking responsibility for her, so...
Jest napisane, że ja odpowiadam, jeżeli ona coś zrobi, to ja idę siedzieć. Wjeżdżam.
Can you print out a fresh copy of this? He signed the wrong spot.
Can you give it for the memory?
No.
Oh, no?
The guy is funny.
You guys hiring?
Are we hiring? I
He is funny.
believe we are, yeah.
Yeah, like how if I would like to be cop in this city?
I don't know if Sirius was trying to be
You'd have to take a civil service exam, score well on it, and from the civil service exam, the scores get sent to the department.
9 months total with the school?
6, 7, yeah, it was probably like a 9-month process in total with the academy, yeah.
Oh, okay.
What? Bring camera footage. You
I'm sure.
I did.
Make that one. I'm sure your lawyer's great.
this.
I'm sure your lawyer's great.
Give that to Igor.
And I'm sure you're guys better.
She trying to act tough in front of her family, I guess.
I'm sure he's great.
Okay.
Are you going home?
Straight?
Okay, yeah, go straight.
That's his copy.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. Have a good night, guys.
She was charged with operating under the influence, refusal to submit to a chemical test, reckless driving, underage alcohol consumption while driving, and failing to consent to a breath test.
Look, the lady is too young. The lady is too young. All of those stuff can add up very so fast and can put her life behind, you know. But we wish her well. Yeah?